Hello everyone, welcome back to another favorites. And yes, today I'm going to be showing you the things which I loved in the month of March as well as April. And if you have been following me on my Instagram, you know that I was traveling in the month of March, and yes, April was quite a busy month. So yes, there have been a lot of new things, a lot of new skincare, a lot of new makeup, as well as there are things which I have been using from past 3 to 4 months, and I thought why not just show you guys things which I absolutely love, things which I feel at times that okay, it is like my life, it has to be there around me. So this video is going to be a mix of makeup, skincare, some random things. So yes, I feel in my basket this time I have a lot of different favorites than the usual favorites I do. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. So guys, it is extremely hot and I feel I should tie my hair, so let me just put my hair in place and then just get into it. So I'm feeling much lighter after tying up my hair, and yes, summers are here, let's be real, I'm feeling extremely hot and I generally also feel very hot. So yes, it's very warm, it's heat, and I do sweat a lot as well, but since my hair has gone up, it's just making me feel much lighter. So let me show you the first thing and just start this favorites video. So the first thing which I'm absolutely loving is something which you can just see directly on me, is this jewelry piece. This is a neck piece, more of, not exactly I would call it as a choker, which you can wear it a little like this. So this one is by the brand Vero Moda. This is a very old piece by Vero Moda. I don't remember exactly which year I got it, but it is definitely 5 years old, and I have been loving this a lot lately, and I feel this one piece just adds up that oomph to any kind of shirt or a dress or a tunic I'm wearing. So it just lifts up the whole look, just like this what I'm wearing. It's like a bodycon dress till knee length, and just add a piece like this, it just adds up that oomph. So yeah, this is the first thing which I'm completely loving past 2 months. Since I'm very thirsty and I promised you that I'm going to be showing you next makeup, why not just show you this one thing, because I can actually sip this thing in between. So this is something to drink. Now if you are an iced tea lover, you love drinking iced tea, but you just cannot go to your nearest coffee shop or CCD, Starbucks, wherever you feel like having your iced tea. I don't know where all you get it, but at least for me, CCD, I used to get some amazing iced tea. I'm not a big fan on Starbucks. Yeah, me and my husband don't like Starbucks. Sorry, I know. We just don't like it. So this is something which I've already shown you on my Instagram long time back, but whenever summers are here, I love going back to this one again. So I have been constantly drinking this one. Is this organic brew house iced tea. This is a blueberry version, and this is how it comes. Now the retail price for this one is, I guess, 60 rupees, and you get a lot of iced tea. What you basically have to do, just put it in the fridge, drink it, and you're done. So you don't have to literally make an iced tea. So it really saves up a time, and this is one of my favorite flavors. They have, I think, 4 to 5 flavors. I'm not sure, because I generally go back to the flavors I've already loved. So the other one which I love is this forest berry. This is one of the most drunk by me, and it's not that I drink this every day. So this is chilled and cold and I want to drink it. So that is why I thought why not show you this one first. And in this bottle you get the calorie count is 112 calorie. This is the real tea. There are no preservatives as well. If you want to know some basic details, I'll give you. And this one is for 80 rupees. I think this is a little bigger than this one, I feel. But then this is for, actually the both are 60 and 80 rupees. So I bought them from Big Basket, so you can also get them from Big Basket. It is easily deliverable. So why not just sip a little bit and open it. So I kept it in the fridge before filming this video so that it is enough cold to drink, because I don't want to hurt my teeth. So why not just open this first. And let me just, I like to clean up this portion first with a cloth. And cheers. Yum it is. Yum. just can't get enough. Okay, now let me just show you something else. So let's move on to some makeup. So girls, if you personally ask me, I do not have a lot of makeup products to show you today, but these in particular I have been completely enjoying because the weather is such, and I'll tell you why. The first thing which I'm absolutely loving for my base is the Colourbar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. Now this is more of a pore minimizing primer, as well as it just gives you that nice firmer effect to the skin. Now this product can be a little drying in winters, that is why I kept it specifically for summers, and you can already see that how much I've used. This is one primer which has made it to my daily base product routine. So yes, this is something which I absolutely love for this time, and I've been constantly wearing it. Again, it holds up my makeup really well. Saying a primer oil doesn't mean that it's going to be looking like an oil on the skin or it's going to be greasy. It is not going to look any of those things. Instead, it just blends into the skin and give you a nice base to go in with your foundation. So yes, this is something which I've been constantly loving, and I see myself using this whole of my summers. Moving on to another face product, and something very new, but it's not that new that I cannot include in my favorites. It's already 2 months to this product, is the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I do not have my perfect match of this foundation. I do mix 2 shades and make my shade because the shades were sent to me by the brand. So yes, I do mix 2 shades. So I'm just showing you one in my hand. So this is the shade 160p10. I feel I'm using another shade 135N medium. So I mix 2 and then create my own shade. Then it sits perfectly well onto my skin. The reason of me loving this foundation is clearly that it is very light, and being a hydrating foundation, it doesn't cake my face. Neither it's like a hydrating foundation, like okay, you can see a lot of happening, like oils are sitting or you have a lot of sebum secretion. All that doesn't happen with this foundation. Being hydrating, it is super light on the skin. So I look out for these kind of foundations for my daily wear. I like to go in with a good base as in good primer, good moisturizer, good corrector, good concealer. Then after all these steps, I can just go in with a very light foundation, and I can still achieve that nice medium to full coverage look. Like today also I'm wearing a very medium coverage foundation, but you can not tell that I'm wearing a foundation like that. Instead you will just feel that I'm wearing a full coverage foundation. But I am been loving the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. So for 1200, it is definitely a well done, perfected foundation. So yes, another favorite of mine. Moving on to a face palette, a palette which is pretty new to my vanity, but I've already used this palette like a lot of times. And yes, some of you have actually come back and asked me which blush are you wearing, which highlighter were you wearing, why your face looks so well done, what products are you using. And yes, I have been mentioning about this palette as well, and this palette is really very recent. It's only a month I've been using this palette, but I'm completely loving it. This one I got from an Instagram page called the Beauty Plus India. I will leave her page in the description. She sells a lot of different high-end brands, so you can look out for her page. And the day I bought this palette, I was really happy and my mood was really good, and I was like, let me just get it. So yes, this is the Pretty Vulgar palette. Pretty Vulgar is the brand, sorry. It's by the brand Pretty Vulgar. And yes, the camera is starting focusing to the palette because this also has a face. So let me just cover the face and then we talk. So this is how the palette is, and this is called as Nesting Face Palette. Now nesting, after that there's a word which I don't want to say it on camera. And then this is how the palette would come. Let's open the palette and show you. So this is how the palette would come with 6 stunning face products. Now I don't know, there is something with me with the face palettes that I am constantly on a lookout of a good face palette, and I say that good face palette you will definitely find in high-end or international brands. So try getting your face palettes from international brands because I feel they do a very good job. and they put the best shades, like the best bronzer shade, blush shade and a highlighter shade, and you can do a lot with these face palette. Talking about this one, again, the blush, the bronzer, the highlight is stunning. They work absolutely wonderful on my skin, and I just love the way it sits on my skin in this weather. Oh my god, I just can't get enough, and I'm just loving this one. So yes, if you want to buy a good high-end face palette, this costed me 2200 precisely, I would say, and I'm just loving it. So if you want to grab something from international or high-end brands, then this could be one of the options. For your information, this video is being filmed in natural daylight, no ring light, no artificial lights, nothing of that sort. And yes, some of you would still say, abhi tak tum isi duniya mein ho where you're not using. I have a ring light. I do use it in winters, but I like to film my videos as much as I can in daylight, just so you can see the actual makeup, because ring light, artificial lights do add up a lot to the whole makeup appearance and the skin appearance, which I don't want to alter by any means. So yes, whatever you see on my face now, this is how I'm looking in person also. So moving on to another favorite. So frankly speaking, I do not have anything else from base product. Those were the only products which I was enjoying and repetitively using past 2 months. Moving on to eye products. Now in eye category also, I have only 3 products to show you. First one is something really surprised me, is the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. This is their newest launch. I bought this kajal from the store directly because I went to the store. I was like, yahin se le lete hain. Why to buy from Nykaa website? So I got this from their counter. This will cost you only 170 rupees, and girls, this is so well pigmented. It is jet black. It is into a retractable form, but still it is smoother. So I have used this kajal today on my eyes also. Let me just, this is one swipe. No pressure. I did not put any pressure. It's just like one swipe. This is what you get out of this. So if you want an inexpensive kajal and you are confused in so many, then you can buy the Nykaa one. This is good. So yes, I have been constantly wearing this one by Nykaa. Moving on to another eye product. This one is again new, but I'm obsessed. This is the K-Beauty Pure Bloom palette. I use the Bare Soul one also, but I'm going to show you only one because the one I'm wearing on my eyes is the Pure Bloom. Now girls, if you want a good quality palette in drugstore for a good pricing, then definitely K-Beauty has done a stunning job. I'm just not saying it because I want to say it just like that, because K-Beauty is one of my favorite brands, but just see the eye look I'm wearing. It's because of this palette. So this is pigmented. This palette is just going to give you the vibe of a high-end eyeshadow palette. Yes, you heard me right. This palette comes very close to many high-end palettes I have used, and I don't know how K-Beauty does it all the time. What they are doing, like, hats off to the brand, to the team and the people who formulate this. I'm just stunned, because when you look back to K-Beauty, like every single product they make, I don't know how they do it all the time. But this palette, they have done an extremely excellent job, I would say. And the artwork which goes on, oh my god, when you just see the artwork, I'm just falling in love with it again and again, again and again. And for your information, the artwork is done by Gauravi Sharma. So yes, amazingly done palette, well pigmented matte, shimmers are amazing. They just blend like magic. They're just so buttery and they're just so light and soft. I just can't stop using these two palettes by K-Beauty. So yeah, this had to make to my favorites. And if you haven't bought your K-Beauty palette, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Watch the complete review. I've done it on this palette. If you have any second thoughts, but I would still say go and buy this. They have 4 to choose from, and this one can be one of those palettes wherein you can just put in your money and you're just gonna love it. So those were the only 2 eye products which I have been loving a lot from the time I've got them. And apart from them, I'm using a lot of other eye products also, but it's not like something I'm restricting myself to. Yes, there are a lot of products which I've shown you last month. I have constantly been using those ones as well, so do check out my last favorite video also, because I don't want to show you the same repetitive things like a million times. So I'm just going to show you things which I have just added to my favorites, or maybe just wearing more. Moving on to the last makeup related favorite is this brush by BH Cosmetic. This is the BH Cosmetic Studio Pro brush number 14. Now I have this brush past 3 years, but recently I have been using this brush more for my concealer, my corrector application, and I just love the finish of it. The way it just blends products on my skin, I just like it. And it's a nice shape of the brush also. So if you haven't checked my brush video, consider checking out that video so that you have a better understanding why you want to get this brush. Like, this works wonderfully for me. Maybe it is not the right brush for you. So watch that video to know more better on brushes. But this one definitely is fitting my satisfaction of blending the concealer and correctors. Pehle I used to do it with blender, but off lately I've been just loving this brush for my application. Maybe I just end up buying another concealer brush. If you have any brush in mind for concealer blending or corrector blending, do mention it. But this one is definitely worth trying and something really well done by BH Cosmetic, and I absolutely love it. So this much is already done, and it has really kept my throat wet, because yes, it's more of a changing weather. Suddenly it just gets a little gloomy, suddenly it's just like extremely sunny, and during that process my throat tends to dry out. But this iced tea is really keeping me in well situation. So let's move on to some skincare and some random products. So let me show you a bag which I am obsessed. There is no end to obsession to this bag, and I got so obsessed with it that I had to go and buy another color. And basically all the different formats of bag which this bag had. So yeah, that crazy I went with the bag shopping. I generally do not buy handbags like that. I'm very particular about handbags. If I have to get a handbag, it has to be branded. मैं ऐसी हूँ कुछ चीज़ों में, it has to be branded, because I just cannot buy a bag from road. Yes, there was this phase in my life where I was buying Causeway se bag, Bandra Linking Road se bag, but that was the phase. Everybody enjoys that phase. But now I'm in a phase where I don't want to compromise on the bag. So that's how I am. There's nothing wrong if you're buying bags from Bandra. They are also good. It's just that अब वो धीरे धीरे ना preferences change होने लगती हैं. So this is the bag from Uniqlo. Now Uniqlo is not available everywhere. At least I'm aware it is available. It is only in Delhi and Gurgaon. I think they were about to open a store in Bombay as well. Let me know if you're staying in Bombay and Uniqlo is available. Please enlighten me with it. But this is the bag from Uniqlo. It's a sling bag. It is a long sling bow. दूसरा, it has ऐसा open, काफ़ी कुछ है इसमें. And ऐसा नहीं है कि it is open so चीज़ें बाहर आ जाती है. एक बार इसमें कोई चीज़ गई तो वो बाहर अपने आप तो नहीं आएगी. दूसरा, you open it and you put a lot of things in here, and then you have an inner small pocket as well like this, and that's it. That's about it. ये bag I got in the month of November. उस दिन से अब तक this bag has constantly been worn. Like, if I have gone to Ambience Mall, if I have traveled to my place, like anywhere, this is the only bag which I've been using, just because this is like the perfect size which fits my phone, the basic things, because I have a small kid as well, so everything just goes in this and I'm sorted. I don't have to really look into that huge humongous bag. So if you like sling bags, something very easily accessible, this is the bag to go for. Now, I don't know from where you can buy it, but I just wanted to show you this favorite bag of mine. But I'm absolutely in love with it. I got black color in this same bag. I got tote bag also in a coffee color. Then I bought a square shape bag also in black. So I have like 4 of them. Now let me know if you want to know what all I carry in that bag. I will make a video on that. I would be very excited because that bag seems to be very small, but it has a lot important things in that bag. So let me know if you want to know. It has everything. Like if I want to put a lipstick, it's there. If I want to put a lip balm, it's there. If I want to have a sanitizer, it's there in that bag. And with my child face mask to one diaper to a small white bag, everything comes into that bag. Okay, so that bag has a lot. It seems small. That is the one best thing about that bag, that I keep carrying it everywhere and there's no ending to it. So that's the only bag which I have used so far in so many months. Now let's move on to some skincare as well as some vague skincare products. I would say something which I don't show generally, but I would just like to talk about these things as well. First thing is this Medimix Ayurvedic Sandal Fast Acting Ayurveda Soap. Now, have you seen me talking about soaps apart from the ones which you get on Nykaa and all? This is like Medimix, Apna Medimix, which used to come in green packaging, which still comes in green packaging, which is like more of a solid soap. This one is a gel based. Now the reason of me showing you this one is that I personally do not like Pears soap. I do not like it for me because I feel it's very drying for my skin. Though it is a glycerin based soap, but I still feel it's drying on my skin. So I keep myself away from these normal basic gel bar soaps. I would like to put in 100 rupees and buy an expensive gel soap, and I will use it and I like it for me. But this one is quite inexpensive and it comes like this. And from the time I have used this soap, I have been only using this. मेरे घर में आपको 20 से 25 सोप मिल जाएंगे इसके, because I just have to have a stock on these. I just love them. They come into another variant also, as much as I know, but मैंने I think ये तो use कर रही हूँ मैं. I think the first time when I bought, the color was a little muddy. That was also gel based. So correct me if I'm wrong. There are 2 variants in it, but this one is currently which I've been using. Oh my god, you just feel so fresh, your skin feels so good, and yes, for the price you're definitely getting a good high quality soap. So yes, this is something which I wanted to show you. And this comes the pack of 4. So basically the format is like buy 3 get 1 free. So ये 4 का पैक था. इधर 125 ग्राम सोप मिलता है आपको. It's a big size and I absolutely love it. Like मेरी पूरी फैमिली यही सोप यूज़ करती है. My son can also use it, I can also use it, and even my husband can use it. So it's a very good soap. Since we are talking about body care, another thing which I constantly use in summers is this Godrej Synthol Deo Stick. I have already shown you these Deo Stick in almost every summer video of mine, and this one just keeps coming back. I have tried a lot of Deo sticks or roll-ons, but frankly speaking, by far this one is the best one for my kind of body. I sweat extremely. I have a lot of sweat issue. So this product in general just keep that, you know, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, sweat smell away from me. Though if anybody is just passing by, they would just feel that I just took a bath and came out. So yes, if you want to have an inexpensive working deo stick, get this one. This will just cost you 60 rupees and you are sorted. ये इतना सा दिखता है but काफ़ी दिन चलता है. So I have this Rush, I have the Energy one also, then there is the one Intensify or Intensity one also. So like मैंने इसके सारे variants use किए हैं and currently I'm using this one, and you can see this is almost done. Now also on my body I have this one. So morning first thing which goes into my underarms is this thing, and I absolutely love it. So if you're a person who has a lot of sweat issue, can go for this one. Now definitely this video is gonna have few scents because summers are here. The other thing which I like using when I'm just going for my walks or for my workout time, I just want to feel a little fresh and not feel tired all the time, is the Bath and Body at the Beach body mist. Yes, body mist. So this one is the beach one. They have a lot many. it's endless. Now you can get so many myths from them, but this one in particular I like it. You know how much I love scents which has written aqua, beach. I just go to them, like they just call my name. I'm made for you, buy me. So this is something like that, and I constantly use this one. You can see it's already half. I bought this, I constantly use it, and I just love it. Though I would not say this is very strong body mist, so if you're a person who likes strong body mist, do not buy this one. This is more of like a calm and gentle, fresh feeling body mist. People who like mild scents can go for this one. And the last scent of this video is this Nina Ricci limited edition perfume. I don't know the name of this one, sorry guys, I just don't know it. And this one is, I think, 7 years old perfume, and I have been lately loving this one. Just because it is limited edition, I don't want to finish it off, so I just like to wear it nowadays a lot, just because I feel my nose likes it a lot, my body likes it, that is why. Now you know how much I love my perfumes. I have good perfumes, expensive perfumes, and I don't mind paying thousands and thousands for perfume, because I feel perfume is just like your alcohol, is like your expensive liquor. If you are a liquor collector, you can use it for years and years. There's no expiry to a perfume, and I feel as the perfume gets older and maturer, I feel the perfume scent goes a little more better than the initial stages. So for this one also, I do feel this is happening, and I just like it on me, and this is something which I've been constantly wearing. So yes, if I'm going out, I will wear this one also. So me and my husband has a very I think it's more of an irritating habit for many, that how can you mix so many things. So like initially I used to get irritated with him, but slowly even I've started doing it, like first putting our mist, then after 5 minutes we'll put our perfumes, and then we'll just go out. And it's like sometimes you will feel, okay, I think they have just taken bath in perfume. So that happens, and it is being happening with me. So yes, I have been lately enjoying a lot of my perfumes, which I generally do not use on daily basis. I like to use my perfumes on certain days or certain events, but lately I've been literally enjoying the Nina Ricci one. Obviously I'm not going to finish it because I'm not going to get it. So yes, that is more of a limited edition perfume. Now moving on to some skincare products. Now I have only 3 skincare products to show you. First one is this Glow Edison Brightening Eye Cream. Okay, now this one clearly has become my favorite, and I have been using this eye cream constantly. You can see how much I have used already. It's going to get finished in another 3 weeks, I feel, because you just need pea-sized amount of product. I have been using this from the time I've got it. This really helps to brighten up your under eye. It works on your puffiness, it works on your fine lines as well, I feel, because I could see some aging happening, because already I'm 30 plus. What am I expecting? So yes, this was really fixing it, and it really fixes it. So the appearance tends to be more reduced. Nothing can vanish it, but appearance can be reduced, and it was just giving me nice hydration around my eyes. For some reason, whole winter this time and even now, I don't feel my under eye or upper lid to be dry. That's a good thing. A good eye cream does add up to your good eye. So yes, if you are interested in a good eye cream, this can be your one too. So get this one from MyGlam. This will cost you 1,195. You get, I guess, 15 grams or 15 ml of product, and it's a lot of product. And I think 1,145 you can shell out at one time, because sometimes you just get 15 ml and you pay 5,000. Here you get 15 ml and you pay 1,200, round it off. So it's a good deal, and I have been loving this one. This is just not love, it's one of my favorite products also, my current favorite skincare product also, and I already have a backup on this one. So yes, this works. Moving on to a serum. Now this is again magic in a bottle. This is the Dr. Seth Centella and Niacinamide serum. Oh my god, clearly I'm obsessed with it. The reason being, it works. Niacinamide serum is technically for people, or I would say for the skin which has pigmentation, blemishes, acne scars, marks, unevenness, if you have texture on the skin, this product can do it all for you. Like if you do not want to buy a vitamin C and niacinamide together, then you just buy niacinamide and you're done. That's how it is. So this works absolutely wonderful, and this has really given me a good change into my skin. Really fixed a lot of things which I could see it in my skin closely, and this product works. So this I have been using past 2 months, and I will continue using it. Since I've been using this one, I'm using the vitamin C serum as well. It's just that I need a little more time with the product, and I will do a complete review. But for now, both the products are extremely well done. And last but not the least, a product which I doubt you must be knowing, because for me also it was like that. This is a Kumkumadi oil by the brand Shankara. This is how the product would come. Now girls, this is a product which I don't use every day. I use this product once in 3 days or 4 days, nothing more than that. This product is highly concentrated product, so you don't need a lot of product. Just 4 drops, done. You do not need this kind of facial oil for every day if you have a good skin. And as you use the product, you see a difference, you see the changes, and accordingly decide how much you want to use the product. So yes, this product, I got it in a PR, started using it, and I absolutely love it. And I really like the texture on this product. Now personally, if you ask me if I would have seen this product, by seeing the price I would have never got it. But sometimes we just miss some good products like this. But I'm really glad that I could try this one. They have more products, like they don't have too many, but I think they have like 10 or 12 products, and every product I see a good review also. People who have bought this product and reviewed it. So yes, I have been loving this one again. So this is something which is made for people who have mature skin, or people who are into their aging. So if you are into your aging, you have a mature skin, then go in with this oil. Or else there are many other facial oils which work absolutely wonderful, like the Nykaa Skin Potion. They are absolute favorite of mine. There's no end to the favoritism to that section of Nykaa, the Nykaa Skin Portions. I absolutely love them, but this one is definitely has worked on my skin. Now we are down to the last segment, lipsticks. So I do not have like a million lipsticks to show you, but in count I have only 3 lipsticks. One I'm wearing on my lips at this point is the shade Cameo by K Beauty. They're matte lipsticks. Girls, if you haven't tried their matte lipstick, you are pretty late. You can actually skip their crayons, get this one. They're very comfortable. They're well made for summers, winters, for any kind of weather, and I just love this shade for me. I've been constantly wearing this one. You can see how much is left, only this much is left. I constantly wear this lipstick. It's permanently in that small sling bag I showed you. It's always there. So yeah, this is the first shade which I absolutely loved, and I've been wearing past 3-4 months now. But yes, past 2 months though, definitely I've been enjoying it. Moving on to the next favorite, something which has become favorite of mine in past 3 months only. Uske pehle tak to I just neglected this lipstick altogether, because I just felt that it was washing me out. Maybe it was a wrong day I tried this lipstick, but 3 months I've been constantly wearing it. Now I have to get the full size, I feel. Is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. Again, something very different, and it just goes well onto my skin. I'm gonna give you a swatch. Now I don't have enough lipstick also to put. This is how Driver's Seat looks. Now it may look a little more peachier, or you may feel it can wash you out. This is what happened with me also. But I don't know, when you put a good makeup, like a little base, then these shades look well. But without makeup, I still feel this shade washes me out. But with a good nice base, like if I'm just going out, I'm wearing a no makeup look, then also this lipstick sits perfectly well. And for summers, this is the apt shade to go for. So yeah, this is something which I've been wearing constantly. And now we are down to the last lipstick. It's the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade Salmon Republic number 15. This shade had been added later, so they added more shade to their Matte Attack range, and I'm really happy on that. There's another shade I'm eyeing. So I had this 300 rupees ka coupon on Sugar, so I was like, let me just use it and let me just get this shade, because I was eyeing this shade from the time it was launched. So This is one shade which I've been constantly wearing in my videos also, and you people end up asking me a lot of time, which is that shade you're wearing? This is the one. This is again very close to the driver's seat, but this has a lot of pink going on. So this is how Salmon Republic would look. Now this shade looks very close to a shade by Nykaa Ultra Matte, also called Diana, but I still feel this has more lightness to it. Diana has a little more warmth going on. But the reason of me loving this shade is, firstly, it has a lot pink going on, and you know how much I love my pink lipsticks, and it is a perfect combination of peach and pink. Dusra, it is chance proof. This is one lipstick cannot go anywhere till the time you don't remove it. Dusra, you just wear it underneath your mask and you're sorted. So all the three lipsticks which I showed you, you can wear them underneath your mask and you can enjoy your summers, because yes, in summers we need those nice soft. So my camera battery died in between. So as I was saying, you just need that right soft lipstick or a pink peach lipstick for your summer, which you can just wear underneath your mask. And yes, these three shades work absolutely wonderful for summers as well as the formula. And now I'm going to finish up this last bit of my iced tea as well. Cheers, we are done with it. So now this bottle, I'm not going to throw it in the dustbin. What I'm going to do is just remove the sticker, wash the bottle, put some water and put it in the fridge. That's how I have been using these bottles, because they are like ek baar nikalo pee lo aur kaam khatam. I generally don't drink fridge ka pani, but if somebody wants to. Dusra, instead of taking a glass, I prefer this bottle, because ek baar mein aap काफी सारा पानी भी पी लेते हो. So that's how I have been reusing this bottle, and it's a good thought that they are packaging this iced tea in a glass bottle. Quite a fun-full favorite video it was, and you happen to discover some amazing things from makeup, skincare, as well as some lifestyle products. Yes, I do enjoy every single thing I showed you here. That is why they made it to my favorites. Everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself. The Nykaa links are the affiliate links, so if you end up clicking onto that link and buying any product, then I do end up making a small commission. And yes, that small commission makes me a little happy. I hope you loved watching this one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek. I will be here soon with some more makeup, some more skincare. Till then, you take care and ta-da!